Alright, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can scrape bulk emails online from YouTube, from Facebook, from Instagram, from LinkedIn, from Twitter and the rest of them. So if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and don't skip any part of this video because all the aspects of this video will help you a lot. So if you skip any part of this video, you might miss the important aspect of this video. So let's jump into the video. Now in this tutorial I will show you a formula that you can use to do this effectively, and if you don't have that formula, I don't think you'll be able to succeed on what I'm about to show you. So you need that formula, and stay with me in this video. I will show you the formula and I will show you how you can get this formula now. And also I will show you how you can extract these emails, and the platform we are going to use is Google. We use Google to scrape these emails from other social media accounts, platforms. So let's do it practically. Now what you do is for you to jump to your browser. Now when you get to your browser, type in this command, this formula on your search bar, and search for it. I will leave this formula in the description box below, so go to the description and get this formula. So the only thing you need to do to edit here is for you to edit your, this is your niche, the niche you want to go for, and the country here, and lastly the platform that you want to extract this email from. So if you want to use Instagram, you remove this Facebook and put Instagram there. And if you want to use Twitter, just any platform you want to use. So it's only these three things you edit: the niche, the country, and the platform. So in this case I want to use extract email of bloggers in United States. So I will change this to US. I will change this to US and then search. Right, so once you search, you scroll down. This one I'm using mobile to show you that this thing works on mobile. And if you want me to do it on PC, go to the comment section and request for it. Tell me in the comment section that I should do the one for PC. So I will do another one. I can create another video that will show you how you can use PC to do this same thing. So you scroll down, right, scroll down, look at this search, click on it to get more, so you can continue to do that. So what we'll do here now is for us to copy everything. So click and hold, select all, and click and hold again, and then copy. Now when you copy it, come to this website, come to another browser, and just follow the way I'm doing, follow everything step by step, the way I'm showing you, so that you will not make mistake. Now search for this website, myseokey.blogspot.com, and then search for it. Okay, Google is tracking my actions, so I have to verify that I'm not a robot. So the first website that will show up here, myseokey.blogspot.com, click on it, tap on the website. Now because this website is where you can get SEO tools that you can use for your website. You can see website speed checker. You use this one to check your IP address. So but what we need is we are looking for email extractor. So mind you, on this website you'll be seeing ads, because this is a free tool, so ads are running in this website. So if you see ads, you have to bear with them. So scroll down, we need this email extractor. So click on it, click on read more. As I told you, let's cancel the app. Click again. Apps will be showing, so it will be disturbing you, so you have to skip the ads and continue what you want to do. Now, so click on the search bar. Click on this search bar, then paste in everything you copied. Now click on extract email. When you click on extract email, look at them here. So these are the emails you have gotten from Google, from that particular page. So what you do is for you to copy all of these. It's for you to copy all these emails. Copy. Just highlight all. All right, just highlight all like this and then copy. Now come to this document, word counter on the same website. Yes, word counter. So let's check it here. Mega Tools. We are looking for word counter. This is not bad. This is word counter. So the reason for this is for you to be able to know how many emails you have scraped. So then paste everything in here. So we have 55 emails already. We have scraped 55 emails. So this one is invalid. So let's edit this. Let us edit this. All right. So we have 55 emails here. So we'll go back again to the page and then scroll up here and then change the country again. Let's change this country to another country. Let's say Canada. Make sure there is no space. Then search, and then the same process we did. Scroll down. Scroll down. It's loading. All right. Now you can click here to search for more. Click to search for more. So now let's select all and click and hold again and then copy. Now the same process, come back to the website here. First we are looking for okay, so let's create another tab. Let's use another tab here. Let's create a new tab and then search for my SEO key again. All right, click on it and then at this moment we are searching for email extractor. So we need a separate tab for that. All right, click on it. Now scroll down and then let's paste the email we copied here. Paste. Click on extract emails. So the email is extracted. There's something I want to show you. Look at the first one, gmail@gmail.com. Don't skip that one. That is, it copied your email account also, so you skip that one. then copy the rest. Copy the rest. Now copy it and go to the other tab of word counter, and then paste them in here. All right, so now you see that we have 85 emails just now. So guys, you continue to do like this, continue, just continue, be changing the countries until you get the amount of emails you need. So now the next step is for you to verify if these emails are real emails, if these emails are still valid or they are invalid. Because if you send newsletters to invalid emails, it will give you a high bounce rate. So you don't need that. You need something that you will not waste your time. So you need to verify if these emails are valid. If you send message to these emails, if they will be able to receive it. So to do that, if you want to know how to verify emails and yes, how to verify emails before you sending it, go to the comment section and write the online store give me email verifier tutorial. I repeat it again, online store give me email verifier tutorial, and I will send it to you. So thanks for watching. So if you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this particular video, and share it to others.